Let's draw a bottlenose dolphin. In this video, we will draw a bottlenose dolphin with simple shapes and super easy steps. Then we will draw an ocean scene for the dolphin to swim around in. When you need more time drawing, pause the video. Start with the dolphin's body. Draw a curved line up and around the dolphin's head, then curving back down to where the tail will be. Add the dolphin's bottlenose. Now erase the body line inside the bottlenose. Draw the dolphin's mouth. Draw an eye. You can draw a simple eye like this, or you can try drawing this laughing dolphin eye. Start with the bottom of the eye. Draw an upside-down horseshoe shape above the bottom of the eye. Draw the iris. It's the same shape as the outside of the eye, but smaller. Add a little circle in the iris for a highlight. Leave the highlight white when you color. Draw the dorsal fin. It's about halfway down the dolphin's back. Draw a flipper. Erase the body line inside the flipper. Add the other flipper behind the first one. Draw the tail. The dolphin's tail is also called flukes. Now let's add an ocean scene. Draw some seaweed. Add a line for the seabed. The seabed is the floor of an ocean. Notice that the line goes behind the seaweed. Add more seaweed. Draw some tube coral. Add openings at the end of each tube. Add some flowing water lines behind the seaweed and dolphin. Dolphins are not fish. They are mammals, able to swim underwater, but they must surface often to breathe air. Subscribe to see more awesome drawings.